Okay, I think Kritanya is having some thing. Who can tell me what are? Okay, yes, Kritanya, tell me what are nouns?
Noun is a name of a birds.
Yes. Yes.
Person, animal,
and things. Very good. So what are nouns? Nouns are the names of person, places, animals, or things. Okay, basically anything that you can name is called as a noun. Okay, so what are nouns? Nouns are also called as naming words which names a person, place, animal, or things. Okay, a person may be a boy, girl, uncle, aunt, mom, dad. Okay, then you also have your own names which are special names. Then you have places like park, school, zoo. All these all come under places. Okay, and even the names of cities like Bangalore, Delhi, all these also come under places. Then you have animals like cat, dog, tiger, lion, all these all comes under animals. And then like things you have table, chair, board, purse, water bottle, all these and all will come under things. So basically what are nouns? Nouns are nothing but which names a thing. Okay, that is, it could be a person, place, animal, or things. Okay, so you all have an idea what are nouns, right? What we had learned in class 1. Yes. Okay, now we will start with the exercise that is given in your grammar book. Now take your book and turn your book to page number 7. Okay, turn your book to page number 7. Page number 7. You have a worksheet given. Unit 1, nouns again. You have the first worksheet that is given. Match the people in column A with the words in column B to see what they are connected with. Okay, they've already given one example. Now I'll just write down both the sides. Only the numbers I'm going to write. Okay, you have 12 names given and then you have A to L.
Ma'am, I can't see you, ma'am.
Okay, you have A to L and the first one is already done for you. Okay, first one is plumber. What does a plumber do? He repairs taps. Yes, so what does a plumber do? He repairs taps. So next to D, they have already drawn the line, but I want you to just write in brackets 1. Okay, just write 1 in the bracket. Okay, all of you have written? Yes. Okay, now second one, carpenter. What does a carpenter do? I'll read all the names on column A and on column B. Okay. And yes, before that, I'll just read the names so that it'll be easier for you all. In column A, you have plumber. Second one is carpenter. Third one, mason. Fourth one, architect.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Astronaut. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Chiran. Chiran, you need to take your grammar book and turn your book to page number 7. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And I'm muting everyone so that there is no noise. Okay? And only the child whom I ask will unmute themselves and answer. Okay? Now, like I told you, the 5th one was astronaut, 6th one cobbler, 7th one pilot, 8th one postman, 9th one principal, 10th one florist, 11th one doctor, and 12th one baker. Okay, so what does a plumber do? He repairs our taps and pipes. Carpenter, He makes furnitures or doors, tables, all this he makes. Who is a mason? Mason is a person who works in a construction area. Architect, he designs buildings. Okay. Then astronaut, he works in the space. Okay, or aeroplane. Next, cobbler, what does a cobbler do? He repairs our shoes. Pilot, pilot is a person who flies aeroplanes. Okay. Then postman, he's a person who brings us letters, right? Then principal, where do you find principal? Principal is in the school. Okay. Florist, florist is a person who sells flowers. Doctor, doctor treats sick patients. And a baker, baker is a person who bakes cakes and buns. Okay. Now in column B, I'll read the words. First one, A is medicine, B flowers, C shoes, D taps, E bricks, F letters, G furniture, H house, I space, J cakes, K aeroplane, and L school. Okay, so these are the words. These both the columns are related to each other. They tell us what this person works with. First one we've already written, A, that is plumber is a person who works with taps. You've already written one, right, in brackets next to D. Okay, now second one is carpenter. Okay, I want Digant to give me the answer. From column B, you have to select the right answer and tell me. Digant, you can unmute yourself and you can give me the answer. Carpenter, with what does he work? With what does a carpenter do? Okay, anyone else who knows the answer? Chirant, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Furniture, ma'am.
Very good.
Furniture. Furniture, ma'am.
Furniture, yes. Which is the word?
Furniture, ma'am.
I got it. Where is
Furniture, ma'am.
furniture? It is G. Okay, furniture word is given next to G. So next to G, write 2. In the bracket, write 2.
You got my shoes in.
Okay. Next one, third one, mason. Okay, third one is mason. Roshan, can you give me the answer? Mason, to which one will you match him with?
ಮೇಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಮೇಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮೇಸನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್
Mason is a person who works in a construction area. Okay, in construction areas, what all do you find? Sand, bricks and all you find, right? So mason, you will match bricks. Very good. So next to E, okay? Next to E, right? 3 in the brackets. Okay, next to E, right? 3 in the bracket. Next one, fourth one, architect. Architect. I want Ali Bibina to give me the answer. Architect.
House.
House. Very good. Yes, house. House is given under H. Okay, so next to H, write 4. Next to H, write 4. Okay, next to H, write 4. Next one, fifth one, astronaut. Who's an astronaut? Who studies
Space.
Very good.
Space.
Space comes, it is given under I. So next to I, write 5 in the brackets. Write 5 in the brackets. Okay. Now next one, cobbler. Sixth one is cobbler. A cobbler, what does he do? He mends our
Shoes.
shoes. Very good. C. Yes. So next to C, brackets, write 6. Next to C in brackets, write 6. Okay. Next one, seventh one, pilot. Who's a pilot? Very good. Aeroplane. He flies an aeroplane. So K. Next to K, right? 7. Next to K, right? 7. Okay. Next one, postman. Eighth one is a postman. What does a postman do? Very good.
Letters.
Yes. So next to F, right? 8. Next to F, right? 8. Okay. Next to F, right? 8. Next one, ninth one, principal. Where do you find principal? So next to L, right? 9. Last one, right? 9. Okay, now last one you have to write 9. Okay, now next one, florist. Florist, flowers, P. Okay, next to P, right? 10. Yes, flowers. Next to B, right? 10. Next one, doctor. Doctor, medicine. Yes, if someone's not well, he gives medicine. So next to A, right? Is 11. Next to A, right? 11. And then baker. What does a baker bake? Next to J, right? 12. Next to J, right? 12. Okay. Now I'll just give you the answers again. Just check if you've written the numbers correctly. Okay. First one, next to A, you should have written 11. Okay. B is 10. C is 6. D is 1. E is 3. F is 8. G is 2. H is 4. I is 5. J is 12. K is 7. And L is 9. Okay. The first one, plumber matched with taps. Second one, carpenter matched with furniture. Third one, mason matched with bricks. Architect, house. Astronaut, space. Cobbler, shoes. Pilot, aeroplane. Postman, letters. Principal, school. Florist, flowers. Doctor, medicine, and baker, cakes. Okay, all of you have taken this down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next one, next main. Okay, now next main. Unscramble the letters given below and write the words. Okay, they have given you the letters and they are scrambled. You need to form correct words and write it here. Then write the words in the right column in the next page. Hence, the words are related to a girl, Rita, and what she likes. Okay, now first one, IUCRSC. What word do you think it is? If you unscramble, you will get a word. Anybody? I'll give you the first one. Okay, I'll give you the first one. Yes. Yes, the first word is circus. 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 Okay, in the dash given there, write down circus. 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 Yes. Okay. Now, second one, Ndonl. What word do you think it is? It's a place. It's a foreign.
London.
Very good. Yes. London. 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 Write down. London. 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 Okay. Next one, third one, Dinai.
India.
The third one is India. 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 Write down. India. India. Okay. All of you all have written. India.
ma'am.
India. Next, fourth one.
Girl.
Very good. Fourth one is
Girl.
Girl. Girl.
Girl.
Yes. Girl. Girl. Okay. Girl. Girl. Okay. Now next one. Fifth one. What is that?
House. Play.
Play. Very good. It is play.
House.
Play. Play.
House.
Play.
House.
Girl. House.
Okay. Play. Next one.
House.
Very good. It is house. House.
Yes,
Write down House. House.
yes.
Yeah, there's a lot of background noise. No, please don't unmute yourself. Okay, house. Next one, seventh one. Very good. Orange. 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 And the last word. Very good. It is Rita. 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 Okay, all of you have written? Yes. Okay, the ones who have written, write quickly. Right, I'll give you another 2 minutes. Write down. Okay, all of you are like, yes. Okay, now if you turn your book to page number 8. Okay, turn your book to page number 8. You have 2 columns given here, common nouns and proper nouns. You all know what are common? Okay, I'll tell you, common nouns are words in common. For example, boy, girl, park, school, all these and all will come under common nouns. Whereas proper nouns means you're identifying, it's a special name given to that particular person, place or things. Okay. For example, Rita is a proper noun here. When you talk about Rita, you know you're talking only about that particular child. Okay, same way,
Rita.
London also is a proper noun. Okay, then you can say Bangalore is a proper noun. All these and all will come under proper nouns. Okay. Now, circus. Under which column will circus come? Is it common noun or proper noun?
Proper noun.
It is common noun. So under common noun, write CIRCUS, circus. Under common noun, write circus. Okay. Under common noun, write circus. Second one, London. London.
Proper noun.
Proper noun. Very good. Right. London. London. London will come under proper noun. Next, India.
Proper noun.
Very good.
Proper
Proper noun. Right. INDIA. India. India comes under proper noun. Very good. Okay. Next one. Girl.
Common.
Comma.
Common noun. It's not comma, it is common noun. Right.
Common noun.
IRL. Girl. Girl will come under common noun. Okay. Common noun. Next one. Play. Play is
Common
not
noun.
a noun actually.
Common noun.
Play. Class, play is not a noun at all. We will not consider play. Okay, play will not come under both. It is actually a verb. It's an action word. Okay, so we will not take play. Next one, house. House, will it come under common noun or proper noun?
Common noun.
Very good.
Common.
It comes under common
Common.
noun, right? HOUSE, house. HOUSE, house. Okay. Next one, orange.
Common noun.
Orange.
Common noun.
You have different types of orange,
Noun.
like New Zealand orange and all that and all you can write under thing. Okay, so this will be under common noun. Next one, Rita.
Proper noun.
Very good.
Noun.
Rita will come under proper noun. Okay, so you all know what are common noun and proper noun. Common nouns, it is called in general. Okay, while proper noun are special names given to a person, place, animal, or things. Okay, now all of you have finished till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt in what you have done today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you
No,
all have
ma'am.
what you have written, right?
No,
All of you
ma'am.
have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so if you do not have any doubt, then we will wind up with the class. Okay, children? And I
Yes,
want you all to
ma'am.
post the picture of both the pages, page number 7 and 8. You have to send it in the group. Okay? Post a
Yes,
picture. I want to check what you have written. Okay, so please post the picture and send it in the
Yes.
group. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Okay, so
Yes,
with that,
ma'am.
finish with the class.
Bye.
Yes, thank you, children.